Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create this super cute stop motion video using citrus fruits and our app Lapse. You can download it in the Apple App Store or on the Google Play Store. We're first going to start by creating a new project by clicking that big blue plus sign on the bottom of the screen. Next, you want to use a tripod to set up your phone. It's super important with stop motion that once you start shooting, you do not move your phone at all. So if you don't have a tripod, don't worry. You can use one of our hacks here. For this one, it would be good if you place it on the edge of your cupboard and you can have it facing down, or you can use the side of a table or even a chair. Once you have that set up, lock your exposure and your white balance. This will prevent the exposure and the white balance from changing as you're shooting. And if the exposure is changing throughout, when you play it back at a high speed, it will cause a flickering light look in your video, which you don't want. If you're new to stop motion, I highly recommend checking out our Getting Started video, where you can learn how to shoot like a pro in under 7 minutes, and we teach all the fundamentals to stop motion. I'll link it down below. So to start with this video, you're going to start with an empty screen, and you're going to take your first picture, and you're going to move a full lime up a little bit. Take the next picture. And then I have my lemon slice here. I put it in and I have the full rounded lime covering a little bit of the lemon slice. And what we're going to do is then we're going to move that lime up again, add a second slice. So as the full lime is rolling up, we add a new slice in each time. So to make sure that you give the effect that the lime is leaving a trail of slices behind it, you want to make sure that the full lime is always somewhat covering the full slice. You can never see a gap in the backdrop between the full lime and the lemon slice as the full lime is rolling up. Okay, so we've got our first column of limes, and we're going to repeat the same process with the lemon. It's important that you actually roll the lime and not just lift it so that it has that rolling effect when you play it back. So we take the first picture with just the full lemon, and then we're going to add the slices in here. And I am just rolling these up till they roughly reach the end of the frame. We've also got our ghosted feature on, so this, you can see there's a 50% opacity from the previous image. And this is used as a guideline so we can see how far we have to move the objects. And now we are repeating the same process with an orange. So we're going to repeat this process with the next couple columns here with the grapefruit and the lime and the lemon. I'll speed it up a bit here because I think you get the gist at this point. If you have any questions about how we're making this or anything, please feel free to comment below and we'll get back to you. All right, we're all done. So we're going to open up our editor here, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to update the speed of the video. Otherwise it'll play at a super slow speed, which we don't want. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. We're also going to boomerang ours because we want it to go back and forth instead of it just playing forward all the time. I encourage you to play around with all of our editing settings because it will impact how your video will look drastically. We added a song, and there we go. Save the video. Here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps our brand grow and get these tutorials in front of more eyes. If you recreate this video and post it to social media, I would absolutely love to see what you've created. Please tag and follow us at LifeLapseApp for a chance to get featured on our Instagram page. Do you want to learn how to create really eye-catching videos all from your phone? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we're always putting out more stop motion video tutorials. Thanks for watching.